Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the semi-automatic welding machine. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. The AWT MIG200 semi-automatic welding machine is a versatile and compact welding solution designed for both beginners and professional welders. With its wide array of features and functions, this multiprocess welder delivers exceptional performance across various welding applications. Let's dive into its features, pros, and cons to help you determine if this is the right welding machine for your needs. Product features: 8-in-1 multiprocess welder. The AWT MIG200 offers incredible versatility with its 8-in-1 capability. This machine supports gasless flux core welding, gas MIG welding, gas MAG welding, stick MMA welding, lift TIG welding, spot welding, aluminum MIG welding, spool gun welding. MIG synergic control and MIG manual control. The machine comes with both MIG synergic control and MIG manual control options. In MIG synergic control, the wire feed speed and voltage automatically adjust based on wire diameter, material, and gas settings. For more experienced welders, MIG manual control allows for current adjustments based on specific usage habits, providing flexibility for different projects. Diamond core technology. The AWT MIG200 incorporates diamond core technology, which improves arc starts. The machine features a run-in feature that slows the wire feed speed to a preset value before arc initiation, ensuring smooth, spatter-free starts. The wire feed speed can also be adjusted to suit different welding demands. Pros: versatile welding options. With 8-in-1 functionality, the AWT MIG200 is suitable for a wide range of welding techniques, making it a great choice for diverse projects. User-friendly interface. The large LCD digital display makes it easy to adjust settings, even for beginners, improving the welding experience. Portable design. Weighing under 35 pounds, this welder is easy to transport, making it ideal for on-the-go welding applications. Smooth and spatter-free starts. Thanks to diamond core technology, the AWT MIG200 ensures smooth, spatter-free arc initiation for better results. Cons: limited duty cycle. Like many portable welders, the AWT MIG200 may have a limited duty cycle, meaning it's not designed for continuous heavy-duty welding over extended periods. Welding material limitations. While it supports a wide range of welding applications, the machine may not perform as well for industrial-level, high-demand tasks compared to more expensive, dedicated welders. Final thoughts: the AWT MIG200 semi-automatic welding machine is an excellent choice for hobbyists, DIYers, and professional welders looking for a versatile, portable, and user-friendly welding solution. Its 8-in-1 capability, durable design, and efficient cooling system make it a reliable option for various welding projects. However, its limited duty cycle and learning curve for beginners may be a drawback for some users. Overall, it's a solid performer that offers great value for its price point.